Hey, welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Tiny Trailer Shop. Today we're out on the Heritage Trail in York, Pennsylvania. So I started at Brohart Station and rode down almost to Glen Rock, Pennsylvania. So 10 miles, 10.23 miles one way. So altogether we'll have almost 20 and a half miles round trip. So I kind of just hightailed it down to Glen Rock there and decided on the way back maybe I'd take a few pictures and shoot a little video. So yeah, so enjoy the ride. So here comes the train. I imagine it's going to stop here at Hanover Junction, the way it looks. Hey, there we go. We caught the train on the trail. I was kind of hoping we would catch it somewhere along the line. When I left Brohart Station, it was sitting at the station, so for some time today I had to pass it again as it stayed up at the station all day. So yeah, it was great. All right. So this is the Howard Tunnel, and I've never actually been able to get a video of this tunnel without a lot of other traffic, so today was a golden opportunity. So it's not a real long tunnel, but nevertheless it's still a nice tunnel here on the trail. And that tunnel is approximately, well, it's just shy of 2 miles from the Brohart Station parking area. So I just passed mile marker 16, and I thought, well, there's not a lot of traffic on the trail. I'd take this opportunity to say thank you for watching and riding along today. Hope you enjoyed this little video of the Heritage Rail Trail in York County, Pennsylvania. Started at Brohart Station, went down to almost Glen Rock, Pennsylvania, and nice little ride. March 5th, 2022. About 54, 55 degrees. And yes, it was a nice day for a ride. I encourage you guys, get out, explore the world around you. You don't need to travel far. Just look around your neighborhood, the area where you live. I'm sure you can find something outdoors that you'll enjoy. And get outside and soak up some vitamin D. It'll do us all some good. All right, well, thanks again. And you know, if you enjoy what you see here on the channel, be sure to click like and subscribe. And we'll catch you later on down the road.